In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Form from accepting responses. By the end, you'll know how to close a form to new submissions and fine-tune a few key settings so things stay tidy and clear for anyone who tries to access it. First, head to Google Forms in your browser and sign in if you're not already. On the Forms homepage, you'll see your recent forms. Find the form you want to close and open it. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check you're in the right one so you're editing the correct form. With the form open, look to the top of the page for settings. Depending on your layout, this could be a tab labeled Settings or a gear icon that opens the settings panel. Click it to access all the controls that govern how your form behaves. Inside Settings, go to the Responses section. This is where you control whether your form is open or closed to new entries. Turn off the option that says Accepting Responses. When you switch this off, the form stops taking submissions immediately. You'll see a message box where you can customize what visitors see. Something simple like, "We're no longer accepting responses" works well. Adding a note about when the form closed can reduce confusion. While you're in Settings, review how emails are handled. Under Collect email addresses, choose Do Not Collect. Since you're closing the form, you don't need to gather new email addresses, and this setting helps keep things privacy-friendly and uncluttered. Next, set Send responders a copy of their response to Off. This prevents new automated email receipts from going out as you finalize changes. It also avoids mixed signals for participants who might otherwise think the form is still active. Keep in mind this won't retract any copies that were already sent in the past. Finally, disable Allow Response Editing. When this is off, people who previously submitted can't use their edit links to change answers after you've closed the form. That helps preserve the integrity of your data, especially if you're making decisions based on the submitted responses. Your changes save automatically. To confirm everything worked, use the preview option and make sure you see your closed message instead of the form fields. If you ever need to reopen the form, just return to Settings, go back to Responses, and turn Accepting Responses on again. That's it. You've successfully closed your Google form and locked down the related settings for a clean, consistent experience.